Hello everyone and welcome to another Looker Studio tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to create a combo chart in Looker Studio. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So job number one, we're going to come here to Looker Studio, we're going to click on Insert, and we are going to select Combo Chart. Now we're going to drop the combo chart here. The combo chart is a chart with two metrics that are measured on a different scale. For example, absolute number and a percentage, or a very high number and a very low number. So in this case, we're going to give an example maybe with sessions and bounce rate. Bounce rate is a percentage, sessions is an absolute number. The first thing we need to do now here is we need to select our combo chart. We're going to go to setup on the right hand side, and let's say that we're going to change the dimension to month first, right? So these are Google Analytics data, so we're going to select year month. Now we're going to go under metric here, and we're going to select the metrics that we want to include. So for example, sessions, and then here we're going to say bounce rate. And now we need to fix our combo chart. What do we mean by fix our combo chart? We want the sessions to be a column, and we want the bounce rate to be a line, and we want both metrics to be visible at the same time. So how are we going to do that? Super easy. We're going to select our combo chart. We're going to go on the right hand side. We're going to click on style. And here under series one is our sessions, the first metric. We're going to say bars. So we're going to click here. So this is going to be a bar, a column. And this is going to be measured on the left axis. So this one we're not going to change. Then we're going to scroll down under series 2. Series 2 is the bounce rate. We're going to say that this is a line, and we are going to say that this one is going to be measured on the right axis. So we're going to click this option here. And right now we have the right combo chart. There is only one minor detail. So this is a chart that is going by month, and the months of the year here may not be 100% correct actually. So it goes from December to November to October. So we want to have everything in chronological order. So we are going to select our combo chart again. We're going to scroll down under sort. We're going to say we want to sort everything by year month in ascending order. So we're going to click ascending, and here we go basically. So we have everything in ascending order from January all the way to December last year, 2024. And that's how easy it is to create a combo chart, any type of combo chart that you like. So one more time, you click insert, you insert the combo chart, you select it, you go to setup, you insert the metrics and the dimensions, then you go to style, and under series 1, you are going to customize the first metric. Under series 2, you're going to customize the second metric. Series 2 should be measured on the right axis, and that's how easy it is to create a combo chart. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.